Hi, Farzaneh. I'm going to give some feedback. Oh, and it looks like Samson responded to you. Um, so I'll be also giving back the assessment rubric in class. But let's look at how you responded. One thing I noticed is you didn't respond to other students, which is part of interacting with others in a speaking assessment online. It's really important that you encourage discussion by commenting on other people's ideas. Okay, so make sure, like Samson has commented on yours. Okay, so the significance of this journey is about Ella who wanted to scatter her Uncle Bear's you need a possessive ashes and return it to his ancestral home in Klemtu. Also, she was passionate about her nation and her homeland and environment and tried to deliver the message to protect, no ing, our environment. I think she accomplished what she wanted. She spoke about the oil pipeline at the end of the movie very confidently and bravely. Good use of adverbs. So overall there, very nice structure and you've expressed your ideas clearly. Number two, the movie taught me that we must protect our environment, keep it for the future, and we should try, preposition here, try to achieve our goals and not give up. So we're not going to use don't give up because don't give up is a command. Um, so it's a really odd structure. We just say not give up. Okay, next one. Another theme in the movie is that we should take care of our family. Just a minute, sorry. Another theme in the movie is that we should take care of our family, love and protect each other. And I think that definitely was an important theme. You could develop this idea a little more and give a little more information. Um, okay, so I think overall you have touched on the most important ideas of the film. I think I would just add a little more detail for your next discussion. Thank you.